Radiance Premium Suites hotel. It is actually 3-star hotel in form of flats or apartments. Yeah. They have it nicely decorated. Our flat in Radiance Premium Suites and Barsha, Dubai. We are staying for the first time in a flat. It's actually a block of flats here, and it looks really nice, I must admit. You have everything here what you need: cooker, kettle, toaster, fridge. Dining room with living room. The TV is massive. It's really big TV. This is actually one bedroom flat. They also do 2 bedrooms flats. The view is nothing special, but it's near metro station and also near to some malls or grocery shops, restaurants. So this is a room. Again, it's really decent, really big room. Plenty storage, a TV and some working space. And let's check a bathroom. Yeah, I think it's pretty decent. I will show you rest of the building. We have a pool and gym here as well. So I will show you that later on. I will actually show you how close this hotel is to the metro station. So just you can take either left or right side and you will get there. You just need to cross the street and you can already see that on the other side. So there is metro station. It's just a minute or 2 walk. There is some buses as well. If you want, you can take some buses or metro. What do you prefer or what do you actually need? So guys, this is gym. You have washroom over there and pretty pretty decent gym. It's small, but everything what you need for some exercise. Okay, and let's check the pool. The pool is on rooftop. So this is the pool. It's small, but it's fine. If you need some cold off or some swim, you can do it. Over there is a small pool for kids as well. They provide towels, so you don't need to have your own towels, or you don't need to take one from the room. Nice. A shower here. Good. The view, yeah, you can't really see anything.